What a blessed day, my dear Cagayanos. It's me, Mark Joseph Ctto, and welcome to our new series entitled I Love Cagayan River. Mula dito sa Apari, we love Cagayan River!
Won't you wait, won't you stay, at least down till the sun goes down. When you're gone, I lose faith.
Let me first introduce you my partner for today's activity.
Zeri Taguba, revealing its nature's finest and how it greatly contributes in the changing lives of the folks having around it.
Correct! And now, we are at the tip of Cagayan River, the town where the river meets the sea, Apari! Today, let me and Terry be your tour guide to the beautiful Cagayan River. Join us and experience the true beauty of Rio Grande de Cagayan.
Don't let this be our final song.
The Cagayan River, also known as the Rio Grande de Cagayan, is the longest, largest, and widest river in the country. It is located in the Cagayan Valley region in the northeastern part of Luzon Island and traverses the provinces of Nueva Vizcaya, Quirino, Isabela, and Cagayan. Small streams originating from Balete Pass, Cordillera, Caraballo, and Sierra Madre Mountains meet other streams and rivers and flows to the Cagayan River. The famous lurong fish abound in this river during the rainy season when the river is murky and the fish swim upstream from the delta of Apari to spawn. The river passes through one of the few remaining primary forests in the country, and its biodiversity is truly remarkable. The river supports the lives of numerous endemic and endangered species like the Luzon bleeding heart pigeon, Philippine eagle, and a rare river fish called ludung. The location of the mouths of the river covers the Babuyan Channel, Cagayan, and empties at the Apari estuary. The river drains a fertile valley that produces a variety of crops, including rice, corn, banana, coconuts, citrus, and tobacco. Its tributaries include the Chico River, Magat River, Ilagan River, and Pinacanuan River. The provincial governments have developed tourism programs that offers sports and leisure activities on the river, such as whitewater rafting and kayaking. Cagayan River plays a vital role due to the fact that the folks surrounding it is dependent on this wondrous river's gift of nature. Here is an exclusive interview on one of the long-run fishermen at the river. Good afternoon. So ano pong pangalan natin? At ano po yung pinagkakabalahan or trabaho natin?
Minsan sir, barangay tanong pa po. Minsan wala po. May time.
Okay, so ilang nakapalakas?
Din pa lang po ako nagpapalabo.
15 po. So, dun sa years na nagpapalakas po kayo, ano po yung parang sabi nyo na lang itong Cagayan River sa kabuhayan niyo po bilang fisherman?
Ganda naman pagkabuyan. Kasi kung meron, wala.
Marami pa rin po bang ang huling isda?
Marami pa rin po kung mahanap natin sila.
Compared noon sir, nung mas bata pa po kayo sir at ngayon is ano, kumonti po ba yung isda or parang ganun pa rin po yung bilang ng mga isda?
Ganun pa rin po. Hindi pa rin nagmamahal.
Ayun sir, so
I love Cagayan.
Rio Grande de Cagayan is indeed a treasure to keep, preserved, and loved unconditionally. Its crystal clear waters reflects on the shining eyes of hope from the folks it surrounds. It is the wonder that not only Cagayanos could be proud of, but deserves to be promoted and appreciated globally, not just by its own wonder, but also the beauty of its people. Preserve, protect, promote. This is Cagayan River.